first things first, I was tinkering with sending stuff to powder coat, and I had to get the bearings out of here. And there really is no instructions online how to get these out. But I'll show you here. Basically, if you can see this, what the hell's going on here? Thing. If you see this, there's basically the bearings sit in here. And if you heat this up, it will expand, and they go down in there. And there's also the seals. Well, there was one that was a double in there, so I could press them back in. These are the old ones. This is for Big Red, and this is for this is 85, this is 86. I was like, how am I going to hammer these out of here? First, I took a screwdriver and I popped the seal. So that came off. That was pretty. I just hit it and it popped out. Then I came to thinking, well, let's try this. I basically put this in here and pounded it on the floor like an axe and just went, smashed it on the floor. That worked pretty good. Came out, no harm done. And it looks like they are in pretty good shape. So he's all cleaning there. The inside looks kind of okay. Not really sure what, I don't remember what this bolt is for. There's one on here too. So this one's super clean. I'm gonna bring this to the powder coat guy. And then I have a rear transmission I gotta take apart. I think I have two of them. I'm gonna order some transmission bearings. Try to clean up the transmission. Or is it rear? Not the differential. Sorry, not transmission. I'll clear that up. The cool thing I found is this. See, these are two. They say on there, Japan Koyo. I don't know if you could read that. On there, let me turn the light on. Say. I don't know if you could read that bearing. See, this is this one. The cool thing about this thing is, if you take the bearing, there's a little. These are open on the inside. There's a little retainer ring. You just kind of, and it locks together. It's pretty cool. I'll probably keep these as spares. They're still moving. I know there's a way to open them up. I'm not sure. Not sure if I want to destroy the bearing or not. Apparently, if you take a little screwdriver, you pop the cover off. Let's see. I don't want to destroy it. They're nice and fancy. So I don't know. Maybe I should try this one. This one's got a little. Looks like something bubbled here. It's got to be something I can put in there. Let me try over here. Nope, I don't want to wreck the rubber. Need a pick or something, put it in there. Or did I put a little picky? I don't know. So anyway, these are the bearings. I'll put them away. And we'll deal with that after. I am going to probably clean this off. And I don't know if I should have it probably blasted inside. Clean it out. Basically, I'm going to be cleaning parts. So that was what I did today. I didn't record it because it was pretty boring. I'm probably going to hammer out some parts. I got a few little parts I want to powder coat it, but I want them to look nice. Why am I yawning? Yeah. So, oh yeah, that's what I want to do. I want to take, hold on. Where is my mask? I want to cut this off of here. This little piece. And see what I can. I was going to cut it off by take this top piece off and see if I can reuse it. And I guess I got to solder a wire on here. Because the wires are gone. And I'll try to clean it up here. Give me a second, I'll show you. I gotta. Where's my gloves? No glove, no love. There we go. No glove, no love. Ouch. What is that? Something's in my finger. Owie, owie, owie. I feel like getting a piece of metal in your finger. I have an idea. I have a really good idea. Really, really good idea. Before I wreck my already wrecked Fat Nancy shirt. Let's go like this. What the hell is going on here? Over there. This over here. Here we go. Got my leather apron, which it's crazy. I was 50 pounds heavier and I couldn't fit this thing anymore. It was too tight. Now it's actually loose. There we go. There's my it's choking me. Now I'll put the mask back on. Have some fun. Let's see if we can bop this out of here. Bibbly bibbly bop. What can we use here? What can we use to bop this out of here? Let's see. Probably like this. There we go. There we go. One side's good. Let's do the other side now. This comes off. Now we just gotta get the little mushroom on the bottom, I think. might be the rivet holding it in there. I don't know. Let's just make it smooth. Make America smooth again. There we go. Took that off. Now I gotta figure out how to mount it somehow. I'm not even sure this thing gets mounted. But anyway, chop that off. If I have to re-rivet this, I will. It's not a big deal. I got a riveter. There's junk on it. And I'll clean it off. Anyway, that's basically I released the coil from the hounds. I'm guessing I'm gonna put a thing on the top like that. So that's all I got for this video. I won't keep it any longer. This was the piece that came off there. It's somebody welded thing on it, so it's not exactly. Maybe I should just cut that off. Then again, who knows? Oh well. Anyway, take it easy. Thanks for watching. Toodles.